workshop is most awaiting in my professional career, because I strongly believe in, as I mentioned in the morning, the primary knowledge is encoded in the brains of the children or any people in their mother tongue. If we prevent them to use even in our class, that impedes their learning. That's what I've been strongly believing since I joined this profession. So even I've been using such kind of multilingual strategies in my classroom. I encourage my children to, because I know how I learned English, how I am speaking, how I was in my class and how I was in my teacher training and how I was in my career, how I learned. So you making the children speaking in using their mother tongue or bilingual, whatever, it's nothing wrong, because why should we prevent them to share their knowledge? Because knowledge is very important than language. So when anyone, even we also, though we are very good at speaking language, if we do not have the required quantity, we don't come out. We don't speak in front of the people like all these professors and other people. First, we should make the student very good in content. So then, when it is possible, when we give freedom, what Mr. Sir Ravindran sir said, we should liberate to think first. Don't prevent the students in the name of language, right? Then they will learn. They will learn due course of time. So what I have been, I feel that my opinion has got some authentication with this kind of workshop. So thank you, RIES.